guys, unbox with Suka again.
Yay.
This is before Christmas, so we're gonna do net a porter or net a porte. Net a porter, I think that's what it's called. It's a giant box of advent calendar. So
From where?
Advent calendar. So we're going to maybe we can reuse this. Can we reuse it because it's sliding out.
Amazing.
Open. It's
Wow.
giant box. Oh.
Oh.
And another giant
Oh, another box.
box in there. Oh,
Oh my
okay.
gosh.
That's for the cat. Okay. Also, the box is huge.
Wow.
And there you go. More box. Wow, lots of box.
Another box. Oh my
my
god.
God. All right.
Oh, you need to open this.
See? Wow, also gonna be so happy. Yep. And the
There you
cat's
go.
in. And unwrap it. Let's see.
Okay.
Unwrap. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh God. I have no nails.
Can you do it?
I don't want to cut it.
I'm gonna try.
Let's see. Ooh, gotta leave it up. Make it loose.
Hold on.
Yes, you can do. Yay! I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Yay!
Yay!
Ooh.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no, it's upside down.
Is it? Okay, let's. I know that a lot of you already seen this months ago, weeks ago, but I'm very excited. I haven't opened it yet. So let's open it together.
Oh.
Wow. Oslo, come here. So we're gonna go.
25 days of beauty.
Yes. So number 1. It's a very nice pack box. We got Dr. Simba Serum Repair Hyaluronic Acid. Okay, put it back. Number 2. Number 2.
Ooh. We got Dr. Dennis Gross Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel.
Oh, that's good as well. Number 3, you can get ready. Number 4. Oh, this is good. I want to try. It's so expensive.
Wow.
It's restyling spray. English. So I'm gonna board you with it because I think most people already seen this already.
Number 4, we have Illuminating Self-Tan Drops. I don't know what that is. Maybe you use self-tan.
Yeah, no, we already tan. And number 5, we got Brighten Eye Hydrate Mask from Joanna Argus. So it's gonna give it a go.
6, we have
What is
Philip
it?
B Forever Shine Shampoo.
Also expensive brand.
Wow.
It's
With
like worth
megabytes.
$1,000 this
No.
box, but it's $400.
Wow.
Number 6, number 7, and we got the cat behind there.
Okay.
Oh, this is really good.
that?
Full size as well. It's Sunday Riley. So I used to use the face oil before, so this is one of the stuff that I haven't used, but it's really good face oil.
Face
So
oil.
it's like $160 or something, this thing. It looks like a full
Wow.
size as well, so it's good. So turmeric vitamin C face oil, advanced vitamin C. So that's very good. You can smell it too. Nice. So
Very nice.
and then we got cat butt behind you there. Number 8.
Number 8. Ooh, there's 2 things.
Oh,
Wow, we've got a bar soap
yeah. From which
from
brand?
the Laundress New York.
Okay.
And from the Laundress New York as well is a wool and cashmere shampoo.
Ooh, expensive. Every brand in here expensive.
Very
So that's
luxury.
number 8. I
8.
got number 9. Ooh, very light, very deep inside, very small. Oh,
Oh.
Lash Primer. So it's collagen one to help
Lash
your lash grow. Yeah, lash primer and help your eyelash grow as well. So it's about $40-$50 this one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is that 9?
yeah,
10.
yeah.
Oh,
What's that?
it's a Marc Jacobs mascara.
Oh, I had this before, so it's really good.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Cool,
good.
cool.
The sample size. And number 11. Oh, what's this? It's called Suzanne Kaufman Bathing with Nutrition Herbal Whey bath. So it's milk bath. It's the milk bath thing. So you guys gotta have bath. Number 11.
12. I'm blind.
Yeah.
We have
What's that?
111 Skin,
Oh,
Harley
is-
Street, London.
Expensive as well.
Rose
Like
Gold
110.
Radiance Booster.
Yeah, $110 something.
Booster Illuminator. What's
Okay,
that?
Booster Illuminator is, I think,
For
just
dewy skin complexion.
yeah. So for winter it'll be good. Maybe not for summer, so I can keep this one later. Number 13. Ooh, expensive item. This brand Omorovic. It's like a
Wow.
Polish kind of moisturizing. It's like from the magical fountain from Poland.
Oh, wow.
Along the line there that I read roughly. I'm not 100%, but it's very expensive brand as
Looks
well.
like a full
They're selling
size.
it at the Mecca. Yeah, I think it's just a deluxe sample.
Number 14, we have Complete Eye Renewal Balm, Anti-Wrinkle.
Okay, I need that.
Yes,
Okay.
cool.
14, 15. We got, what's this? Larry King. Wow, Larry King. Larry King
Larry
for your hair, social life for your hair care, cloud washing. Okay, so that's what it is. I have to try. I thought Larry King is the producer. Yeah. When did he make the product?
I don't know. Interesting.
It may just happen to have the same name. 16.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, this is good. I always want to try this. I knew it's
Vitamin
gonna
C
be.
paste.
Yeah, apparently it's really, really good. It's 7 here as well, so it's quite like $60-$70. I think this one.
Wow.
It's full size as well.
Yeah. Nice.
17. Oh, something small. Igo. Yes, Igo Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. So you never short on liquid eyeliner. I used her mascara before and it's really good. And I think they stopped selling at Mecca, but her mascara in the tube thing is really good. So now you have to buy it online. So it's good to try her eyeliner because I'm always use eyeliner.
Cool. 18. We have Blemish Rescue Oil.
Oh,
Clear your skin.
there you go. So always need that. Sometimes I do break out. 19. Oh, Dr. Barbara, very expensive.
Wow.
So anti-aging primer. Okay, very, very expensive. Like $100 something. This brand is super expensive, but apparently it's good. So I'm gonna give it a go when I finish my
I
primer.
think the theme of this box is super expensive.
Expensive.
Wow!
Hourglass.
blush.
Yes. Let's open it up and see what do we have here.
Okay, let's see.
Because I want to get the new
This is obviously
limited edition
a mini set.
size. Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah, I know. They're usually like $35-$40 even for this size. It's
how
nice, huh?
pretty.
That's cute. Yeah, Hourglass always.
Love it.
Yeah, I love it. So you can leave the box out. That's fine. And pack that. Oops. 21. Oh, what is this? Never seen it. Revive Moisturizing Renew Cream. Look expensive as well. So there you go. Have to do a little read on it. That's good. A lot of skincare though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is good.
22.
Ooh.
Air Atelier Lip
Oh.
Primer.
Oh God. What is that? Let's open a look. We have time.
This is cute.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
Nice packaging. So make maybe for your lipstick to last a bit longer.
Yeah.
So okay, there's some use on that. 23. Something heavy.
Oh.
Costa Brazil Jungle Firming Oil for all body type. Is this gonna make me skinny?
Firming oil.
Firming oil. Okay, interesting.
Okay.
And 20.
4.
Oh, Cora. I have some.
Cora Organics Brightening and Exfoliating Mask.
That's excellent as well. I use some of her skincare and it's organic and natural.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice. So I haven't tried this one.
Last
And
one.
last one.
Oh.
Ooh, this is my first Charlotte Tilbury items. So what she have? Matte contour liquid lipstick.
Oh, let's
I was going to buy a couple of her stuff, but I had to hold back. It's really nice packaging. My very first Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, very nude color.
Very nude.
Very nice. So that's
Creamy.
the color. Just right there. It's not a good light, but it's nude. Oh, very happy to have this. It's good value for money. This is worth like $1,100 something
Is
Australia. I pay $400 something. So, but you get to try a new brand, so I'm very happy. The reason why I decided to get this box is because first, the value of money. Second is I can reuse the packaging for my other stuff. So reuse it. Maybe for next year to make my own advent calendar, things that I really want. So it's no surprise, but it's nice to try all these brands I haven't tried, and it's very quick delivery, very surprisingly quick. Consider I haven't paid for like express delivery, so I'm happy. And I'll open another box next week from guess who. Keep on watching and wait for next week because I'm not gonna start. I got only 2 advent calendar box that I purchased. The other one I really wanted as well, but you need to, you know, hold back and not spoil yourself too much. But all this is like most of them are full size, all the luxe sample, so it's good value for money compared to the other box that I looking around. And I like your box and I will use every single one of these. I might give mascara to you, but have to wait for Christmas. Yay! Not very surprised, is it? But if you like Suka look right now, so I just did her look, and keep an eye on the story, and I will upload right before this video come out. And we got Oslo claim the box, right, Mister? Do you like it? You like the box?
Approved.
Approve?
Cat approved.
Cat approved. See you next time. Bye.